Hi, my name is Cheng. I am 13 years old. I've been learning STEM for 1 year. My project name is the Flying Bird. I chose to make it because it is fun, interesting, and challenging for people to play. I work it out or solve the difficult by asking teachers some advice. If I have more time, I would like to make the game better.
Now I will introduce my game. First, if you want to start the game, you need to press the start button. Now, if you want to move forward, you need to press the right arrow key on your keyboard. Same, if you want to move up, you need to press the up arrow key on your keyboard. You need to try to collect all the coins as you can. As you see, if you touches the green pipe, you will lose the game. After you lose, if you want to play again, you need to press the green flag over here to restart the game. Same as just now, you need to press the start button to start the game. As you see, after you reach the end and collect all the coins, you will win the game. This is my introduction for the game. Thank you.